Welcome to our tutorial about using visual styles in Inventor Fusion. Let's go to the View tab and the Visual Styles panel. We've got some options here that I overviewed earlier in this course. For example, configuring the background. We can select a visual style, perspective, orthographic, or perspective with ortho faces from this drop-down menu. Under Shading Style, we currently have Shaded with Edges selected. There's also Shaded Without Edges, Realistic. The Realistic view works when material has been applied. Wireframe, Wireframe with hidden edges, Wireframe with visible edges only. Let's go back to Shaded with Edges. The last option I'll take a look at in this tutorial is Effects. Here we can apply Ambient Occlusion. What this does is give you a more realistic shading scheme so that areas where you've got less light become darker. We can also apply Shadow, and that's self-explanatory. Your model will cast a shadow. Silhouette will create an outline. Floor reflection. Anti-aliasing, this reduces the pixelation effect. And lastly, adaptive performance. This last option optimizes your graphics for performance, so you don't end up with something that's too resource intensive for your computer to display. This concludes our overview of the Visual Styles panel in Inventor Fusion.